Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to mute words or tags on any post on your account on Bluesky, easy and quickly. So first of all, join this application. Now as you see, you are on the discover page. So for example, this post, so click on this three points, and then you will find this mute words and tags, so click on it. So as you see here, you can manage, enter the word or tag, the duration, 30 days or 7 days as you like, and that's it. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it. See you in the next video.